Good morning, students. So today we do our next topic of your chapter 5th arithmetic progression. So which is the sum of first n terms of an AP. So in this topic you will find the sum of first n terms. मतलब जितनी भी आपको n terms given होगी उन सभी का sum find करना है और you can say total. So there are two formulas to find the sum of first n terms. The first one is n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is here number of terms which you have to find their sum. A is the first term, d is the common difference. And the second formula is n by 2 a plus n. So in this formula n is denoted as last term and this is denoted as last term. मतलब अगर आपने किसी एपी सीरीज में सभी टर्म्स का सम फाइंड करना है और आपको लास्ट टर्म की वैल्यू गिवन है देन यू कैन आल्सो पुट दिस फॉर्मूला n by 2 a plus n. n is the last term. So let us see the example number 11. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. Find the sum of first 22. First 22 means first term से लेके 22 terms तक सभी का आपने sum find करना है. You will find their sum. And the AP is given here. The first term is 8, second is 3, third is minus 2 and so on. So first we will find right here A and D. A is 8 and D is the common difference. So common difference is how much? 3 minus 8. You will subtract A2 minus A1. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So the common difference is here minus 5. Now what is N? N is given 22. N is given 22. So A is 8, D is minus 5 and N is 22. Now you can see here in this AP series the last term is not given. So you can put this formula which is n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So right here first Sn. N is what? N is 22. So write here S22. Alright. Now it is n over 2. So write 22 over 2. Bracket 2a. Value of a is here 8 and 8 2s are 16. Plus n minus 1. N is 22 and 22 minus 1 is 21. Into d. The value of d is here minus 5. Bracket close. Now 22 by 2 is cancelled with 11. So see here 11 into 16. Plus minus minus. And 21 5s are it is 105. Now 16 minus 105. It is how much? 9 8. It is minus 89. Now you can multiply, find the product of 11 and 89. So see here the sign is negative here. Now 11 into 89 is, it is 979. It means the sum of first 22 term of this AP series is minus 979. Clear, students? So this is the answer of example number 11. Next, see the example number 12. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, you have to find the 20th term. So in this question, the sum is given, the sum of first 14 terms. So the sum of first 14 terms means S14 is given here. How much? It is 1015. So S14 is equal to 1050. And its first term is 10. First term means value of A is also given. A is 10. And you have to find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. It means you will find here A20, not S20. ठीक है? अगर क्वेश्चन में लिखेंगे find the sum of first 20 term, then you will find S20. But in this question, they ask only find the 20th term. So you have to find here A20. Alright. So first put the formula for sum of first n terms. So its formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of sum of first n terms, and the sum of this first 14 terms is given here, which is 1050. So it is equal to 1050. Now what is n here? N is 14. So you have to put here n 14. Now the value of A is also 10, so you can put here 10. So you can see 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 1 is 13. 13 into d is 13 is equal to 1050. Now take the 7 on right side. It is divided by 1050. So it is cancelled. 7 ones are 7. 35. 7 5 is 35 and 10. So what is remaining value? 20 plus 13d is equal to 150. Now again take this constant 20 on right side. It is subtracted from 150. So 20 is equal to 150 minus 20. So 150 minus 20 is 130. And what is d? D is 130 minus 13. So it is cancelled with 10. So it means the common difference in this ABCD is 10. So common difference is 10 and the first term is 10. So now you can easily find the 20th term. So A20. What is the formula of An? It is A plus n minus 1 into t. A plus n minus 1. So value of n is here 20 and 20 minus 1 is 19. 19. Now put the value of A and D. A is here 10 and D is also 10. So we will write 10 plus 19 into 10. Now 19 10 is 190 and 190 plus 10 is 200. It is 200. It means the value for 20th term is 200. Alright, so this is the example number 12. Now next is example number 13. How many terms of the AP? How many terms? Means you will find here n. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that their sum is 78. So क्वेश्चन मैंने कहा है कि आप इस AP के कितनी टर्म्स को कलेक्ट करोगे, कितने टर्म्स को कलेक्ट करके उनका जो सम है कितना आएगा, वो 78 आएगा. So it means you will find the value for n. You will find the total number of terms so that their sum is 78. Alright. So see here, this AP series is first term 24, second 21, 18. It means this AP is decreasing by how much? Decreasing by 3. It will decreasing by 3. So right here the first term A 24, D is minus 3. So 21 minus 24 is minus 3. And the sum is given in this question. The sum is how much? 17. So you can write here Sn. And we have to find the value for n. That how many terms must be taken in this AP series so that their sum is 78. So first put the formula for Sn. N by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. The value for Sn is here 78. So write here 78 is equal to n by 2a. A is the first term which is 24. So 24 to the 48 plus n minus 1 into d. D is the common difference and its value is minus 3. So first you will multiply this 2 with 78. It is equal to 156 n into 48 plus minus minus. You can open the brackets first. 3 into n is 3n minus minus plus, and 3 ones are 3. Now solving this, 58 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Alright, now you can see here 156 is equal to, open the brackets again, 51 into n is 51n minus 3n into n is 3n squared. Or you can write 3n squared minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. You can rewrite this equation in the form of quadratic equation. So it is 3n squared minus 51n plus 156. Now you can see 3 is common from all these 3 terms. You can take 3 common. So after taking 3 common, what should left here? N square minus 17n plus 52. 3 5 are 15 and 3 2 are 6. Plus 52 is equal to how much? 0. Alright. Now take this 3 on right side, it becomes 0. So the required equation is n square minus 17n plus 152 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now you can solve it by any one of the three methods which we have done in our previous chapter. The first method is by factorization, second one is completing the square, and the third one is quadratic formula. So we can solve it by factorization. So first C, the value of A is 1, B is minus 17 and C is 52. So the factors of 52 are 13 and 4. 13 plus 4 is how much? 17, and 13 into 4 is 52. So we can write n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now you can take common from the first two and the last two. So from first two terms the common is n, and from last two terms 4 is common. Now again n minus 13, n minus 13 is again taking common. So what should have here? N minus 4 is equal to 0. So these are the two required factors. The first factor is n minus 13 and the second is n minus 4. Now compare this factor with 0. So from first factor the value for n is 13 and from the second factor the value of n is 4. So we can see here we are getting two values for n. The first one is 13 and the second is 4. Now which is admissible? Which is possible? So in this question the both n are admissible. So we can take both values 13 and 4 also. You can check your answer by to find the sum of S4 and S13. You can observe that the sum of first 4 term is also 78 and the sum of first 13 term is also 78. So it means the both values are possible in this question. Alright, so right here, therefore the value of n are either 4 or 30. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में जो n की पॉसिबल वैल्यू है वो 4 भी है और 13 भी है. Alright, so we will take both of this value 4 and 13 both. Clear students? So this is example number 13. Thank you.